Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, today we will learn on the row echelon form and reduce row echelon form. Okay, so I have explained the properties of this both form. Okay, before this page. Okay, so you can read it, and I will explain about the both form for this in these examples. Okay, so scene A. So it was said in the properties for the row echelon form that they must exist number 1 at the first row at the very left. So this is at the very left at the first row. This is the leading one. Okay, it satisfied the second properties. Okay, now after the leading one, to the right means that the next column to the right, okay, also must be number 1 to the right. Okay, to the right but to the down lah, to the okay, this one number 1. See here, to the right, the next column must be number 1. Okay, be like that, right? And then what is it? Okay, it was said that if there exists any zero row, this is zero row. Okay, any zero row must be at the bottom of the matrix. So zero row ni must be at the bottom of the matrix. So dia dekat paling bawah. Kalau ada zero row, mesti dekat bawah sekali. Then it will call row echelon form. Okay, so this one, it doesn't matter. Okay, as long as we have satisfied the 3 properties. Okay, if there any zero row, it must be at the bottom of the matrix, satisfied for the properties number 1. Okay, let's see for the B. Okay, as we said before, okay, at the first row, at the very left, must be number 1, which we call it leading one. Okay, to the right, and then to the down. Okay, for the next column must be number 1. Okay, so this one satisfied the third properties. So okay, and then if there any non-zero, if there any zero row, ada tak zero row kat sini? Zero row ni macam ni lah. Dekat one row ni dia ada semua nilai dia zero. This one doesn't have, right? No zero row. So it's okay lah, dia kata if any zero row. So dalam ni dia tak ada pun, matrix ni tak ada pun, tak ada masalah lah. Dia cuma property tu cakap if any. So B pun satisfied the properties of row echelon form. Okay, what about C? So C, at the first row, okay, at the very left must be number 1. So yang ni dia zero. So yang ni zero, tak ada masalah. Dia at the very left tu mesti nombor 1 tu, maksudnya at the very left for the non-zero entry mesti nombor 1. So ni non-zero entry. So the first non-zero entry ni, number dia dah nombor 1. Yang ni zero entry. For the non-zero entry, number dia mesti nombor 1. So satisfy for the second property. Okay, lepas tu dia cakap untuk satisfy the third property, to the right of the leading one must be number 1. Okay, to the right for the next column. So yang ni zero kan, so ini adalah zero entry. Okay, zero entry tak kira lah, tak kisah pun, dia tak ada masalah. Okay, tak kacau pun properties of the row echelon form. So, to the right lagi. To the right. Tengok lagi right. Okay, ada non-zero entry, right? So, to the right of the leading one. This is the leading one to the right. The next column. Okay. This is non-zero entry. So, nombor dia adalah number 1. Okay. So, this one satisfied the third properties. Okay. And then, apa lagi? Ni, tengok sini ada nombor lagi kan? For the non-zero entry. For the non-zero entry, for the next column of this number 1 is 1. Kan? Nombor 1. Non-zero entry dekat sini nombor 1. Okay? Bawah kepada nombor 1 kolom sebelumnya. Okay? So, this one satisfied the third properties. So kat sini for this matrix there is no zero row. Okay, tak ada pun zero row kat sini. So tak ada masalah lah. Okay, dia tak kacau properties. So this one satisfied the row echelon form.